Hello, welcome back to our channel Create, Login, Delete, a digital and technical solution to your every problems. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in WhatsApp application. And yes, let's get started with this process. First, go into your WhatsApp. And yes, you have that three dots at the top right corner, right next to the magnifying or the search icon. And yes, you tap on that three dots. You have that option of new group. Let's have a click on it. And what you do is simply tap into the photo or the profile of that person who you want to add in that group of people. So yes, do it this way. Tap, 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 tap. And yes, that's the thing. And if you want to remove that person, then simply tap again, tap again, tap again, and go downwards if I want to add someone else, and yes, tap again. And yes, now click on that arrow option at the bottom, and you can simply write a name to that group, for example, and you click that. And yes, your group is created. Well, that's the very easy process. I really hope this video was helpful to you. And if it was, then make sure to like, share, subscribe. This is Ekta signing off. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. One more thing, if you want to hide your online status on WhatsApp, then click the video on screen.